Ejawona ladies and gentlemen le nto nayo ngidingilandana uma sweet izinto ezimnandi next 6 kanye bathini lapho flavor it up niyazi bafethu
ake lapha ekudleni
ubheke with another episode 80 and then yabona phanda gcwele ama ink nje nasida idexidi nje mara niyazi angivanyiwani
hlezi izinto zakhona bafethu penepeni bafethu the one and only fana ukufunosa fana ukokasi bafethu siphethe nje yami ngaye.
Yeah, Pablo Picasso niyazi bafethu Mr. Tripping Tattoos, yeah, you know the story. I'm feeling
singeniwe man. Yeah, sure bafethu yaningakhohlwa nini. Subscribe lapho, comment, share. No sisithanda nalabo abashare ama link wethu. We share and appreciate awanohlezi ubhekelele ucomment la. Siyabona, keep it up. Masses famous.
Keep it up and
keep it up. Shine like a bright star and Masses famous is ukubona.
So uba famous mfethu silala mfethu siphethe trip child ngayi.
Yeah, sure.
Kanjani mfethu sathanda ubatshela ukuthi usuka kuphi.
Lento lengiqale kudala fantuka njami ngipayiseka yabona.
Yeah.
Ngipayiseka nje la echoose a small street president abengispana la afele. Ake ngirecruiter nje ama client uyabona ngaba umshini feli
boshangani before machine
before ushana umshini nje was just ama practical uba exposed nje because asinayo ukuthi singayigela usigelezisa ukubhala ama tattoo namnansi so kumele ubheke umunye umuntu ukuthi enhleke ishaya kanjani yabona isitoko sithengwa vaya ngithola so it took like a 3 course nje yabona mara kwistrata ngana mem kana teacher mele uzibheke ukuthi enhleke uvaya ngithola
so njani into influence manje sengifuna ukushaya amathatha yini le because like amathatha abanye abantu lithi amathatha wasaqala basaqala bathi into zabo sathana
yena bilivela kuleyo hayi what's soon bafit maphele masoon uqopoza la
fele mina ngisho nje ukuthi ngiqhambela manga indlala nje ngithola sibuya khona abafethu emkonti abafethu ziyabuya abafethu yabona indlala ibhokile so bese ngikhathele uploma etratini yabona ngathathwa nje enye dasivayise ejuice siyophanda ngithola
so feel into buyishaya
ngathi boyinto bengexpose kuyo through music ngithola but not like ukuthi ngidraw in terms ukuthi ngina sketches nani ngithola
that's why number
bokudlala yami mina ngiartist feel music ngithola
for sure nami angazi nokuhlangana lapha street culture abashama Friday what
ngithola
ezinye ezibulalayo ngefreestyle
le iyabulala
ngefreestyle manje cash baba
same time
yabona so i-art music nje yami then mathazi ihambelana lezi nami uyabona nami umhlopha ababhaya amasuka play ama-tattoo ngithola
nathi
part of the podcast
so wala maminingi vele akuleya mina ngishaya isibindi awasali nala kingala ngonde kakhulu yabona funeka nje ngiyojimanyana ngithola
yeah wona the meaning ana meaning yabona but uyazi na ama meaning abantu awafani ngithola mina ngathi teso imini into kanje ukuthi mayifike uyazi nalabo beyinombolo amajeli namatanyana bahleng ukuthi into
nawo nemini
ngithola ngafika mina ngithi imini into so yena masafika ngenombolo yakhe ayichange yenzeni yabona nomunye makathi into zakasathane
indlela believer
perspective yabo to say whatever that you want but kuna effect egaming yabona as much as ngaba evil which means ngakhona ukuthi zibe njani zibe whole because impilo kumele balances yabona there's good there's bad there's dark there's light
yanzile nina abazali laba bathi amathathu abusathana ngibuzeni ubafu ngapha uzotshela ngamathathu kaNkulunkulu tshela
kahle so safuna ukubuza obvious so abantu before siyakuda yabona like umuntu ozishaya ngethathu njengoba abhekelela ngakuthola kanjani
socials ngikhona ngangisearch Tripping Tattoos ikhona you can even search me personal Raymond Matladi ngithola then you can catch me na ku Twitter I'm available Raymond Matladi 1 @Raymond Matladi 1 then my numbers is 0682698293
just like lapho
068200682698293
bazwile bafethu njoba lokawasho ngizobona khona lapha escreening nje Yangithola.
sure.
So obviously Khotman
Yeah, sure.
since besakhuluma ngama-meaning amathathu so like now ngiyabona shaya amathathu
Yeah.
so like emzimbeni wakhe yiphi ithathu like lobona ngathi ine-meaning deep for wena since boshito wonke umuntu une-meaning ithathu
Yeah, it's yeah. Ngokonta seda iswini ile nto ngishayile. Was my first tattoo into ngishaya emzimbeni in terms of not ezandleni
emzimbeni.
Yeah, smile now cry later. That's more personal. I'm told like it's more personal tattoo that I ever did empilweni yami because it symbolizes umuntu okhalayo umuntu ojabulile. Yeah, smile now cry later. I think iyazisho nayo ngithola. So I was going through a rough patch jam so ukuthi umuntu umpayizisile just ngisikhuthaza ngayo ukuthi awupopile shothi khala mina namhlanje kusasa uzojabula mina. I understand but otherwise wona ngiyawathanda wonke ikithathe ngiregretayo nokuba kanje nje ngiregrete anything like you understand I don't even need umuntu uthi angivalidate ukuthi uyangithanda uChristian whatever bang ngithola kaNkulunkulu bro yeah
abaloyi asiloyi thina bamathathu bafethu asiloyi fana nani
ayikho le nto leyo bafethu ngibona neyaka Minky Mouse ya
lo Uncle Scrooge Uncle Scrooge uphethe imali yabo la kusimbalaza nje ukuthi you know I want to die rich ngithola Uncle Scrooge ngithola then like we have the minions you know we have Ricky you know it's just like this one chest nje ngededicated nje kuma cartoon yenzela abantwana nje bangibona they matter bro they are the future that's why I have this I'm told because bayibona TV bayibona kimi then baba nama question ukuba curious ngenzala you understand then akhona nje amanye ngingawaveza nje just ukuthi abantu nje babone nje nice man no credit is so feel this so yeah then khona nje la tattoos angithola
yeah otherwise bafethu babe sine space esikangawo bafethu besomtshela ukuthi ashaya chicken
sisabonisa
yonke namanye bafethu ukuthi amanye amathathu bafethu kuzovela ithombe la noma yiphi ayithola kahle kanjani
yeah it's possible
yeah mara azovela feli la abayenzile abantu yangisona namathayi yangithola so nahamba ngamamalini feli like ama size izinto ezinyanjani
mina ngasasegate bafethu ngiyatholakala amagama 150 yangithola those small micro tattoos 150 then ama rose siyabonisana 350 450 differs with the type of rose one ngiyaza bo cherry bayenza tattoo amajiti mala ephuza mfethu ngibheka like i-clientele ezwakala ngithi business uyabona ukuthi abobani abashaya amathathu kakhulu nokwamachita nabo cherry bawashaya amathathu nomuva endaweni ukuthi uyabheka mfethu uyabona abogeni banethathu yabona bacela abantwana understand into engadvise amachita yenzana amathathu bafethu because umntana uthanda amathathu uyabona when we out ungana tattoo yeah
I know ngifeel guilty
yabona mina nisafe
utshela kuma ngabona amathathu it's not a must but if mfethu ufuna ukuba safe nje amfenhliziyo yabona umjobo unzima kanjani nona
uzokushobela
ithathu faka kwenyinto yabo mahlangana nawe thina amathathu uzofeel attraction yana ngithola kodwa azoyifila mangidamanda kude ngithola nabahamba ngathi bayafanelana ngoba amathathu bayanderstandana ngoba kakhulu umuntu elebekuhlungu wena understand ngoba lo pain or relate kuyo yabona so iba iflop yangithola mangabe uyazazi ukuthi mina concentrate abantu nje yang understand abangazishanga ngamathathu ama PSC because omunye umhlaba lo amathathu just to be honest nabantu yangithola it's a different life you understand umuntu onamathathu nomuntu onganamathathu abantu abayithu abangafani abaphila impilo engafani wena umoya noma into zenyama but nje impilo yakho ayifani bro so
like ngathi nami sengizifake kwizinto engazazi manje semkhulu ukuthola yonke into yanjalo like mawuthi impilo yomuntu ama-tattoos i-different nempilo yomuntu onganamathathu i-different ngayiphi ingane noma ungangikama example afini
othi sibe ngani njani sibe ngestrata njani ngazi incosi ekhulele echizini incosi ekhulele la hlupha khona abafani labantu labo yabona noma basesigeli ibeaver yabo ayifani isikhaftini sabo asifani energy yabo yangithola ukukhuluma stationary asifani lo buye gate uyenzeka ukuthi mfethu izolo ulale abazali balo abayenzani noma nalala ngadlanga nani you understand so njengami mina nginama tattoo wena lama tattoo lawa ukuthi ngibe nawo ipain represent pain and ngiyibonisa physical. So mangiva umuntu uyabona lena mathathu yaqhayo so ucabanga ngale issue lesibali ibekezela ipain why ikhethe ukuba so ngoba nami innocent ngana next ngiclean nje ngogama uyabona lo ngiyangcola ulithi mali ngibona uyabona kungichange njalo mebabhlunge bazalini babona umntana wabo mfethu so ushintsha understand but I had to go through this shit yangithola so that I can be myself ngikhethile iside lami yangithola bese nawe ungana tattoo nje nawe le life yakhe normal uyabona people with no tattoos they live normal life because even if normal sifahlake mina naye angaba safer than me angafika ejail. You understand? Because I want to tattoo akangimelanga mina kuba ngathi ayebo ku clever ngaphandle sifuna ukuthi so I'll always have bigger problems than him when we get there. Nangaphandle nje ayami uyafika mfethu uyafaya endaweni abantu baphakamisa abo 7 abo 6 because babona izinto wena ukho la ushayela udada lengencane ingibekela. You understand? Tot ngara I represent inombolo nani yabo ukuthi impilo engafani mina nga attract danger noma kuni yabona
so shit thina abamathathu ngozini
abantu abasejele yibo abafuna ukusenza ukuthi sibe sengozini abantu ababuye ejele abanalento lezabo nabantu bablame nabo bakhethela side
umthetho wabo mina ngemithetho bayifanele ifana njengeculture ukuthi siye ngayithi ngivela yini
mina ngishaya isipani ngembuzi mina ngishaya isipani ngenkobo yabona akumela ukuthi awene yakho in nama tattoos ngithi umuntu onama-tattoo nomuntu ongama-tattoo abafani nje ngithola nabo manje abaloyayo mfethu abakhathele ukungivayela inyanga bayabona ilelo ethula kahle mangivakala stadini ayabona lengathi ayinandaba nabantu like yabo anginandaba nawe mfethu yabona
khona le ubani like ngathi usipana naye usilo
usilo sure kanjani
like khona lenye ithathu kantanga like young influencer le yaPhilippine like untanga one tattoo yakhe emqolo
shout out to Zile
like kuyimi boy shout out yabona Hotman leyo tattoo
yakhe
namasimba
one day nabo uzabona abona uLondon
ushaya isuti la
ushaya mfethu le
usipeshe uthi makabhekele usabhekile makabhekele ngithi izitha zakho zibone mfethu shuthi ngalo Zile lo semuva
sababhekile
he mentioned something very important. He said umuntu anganamathathu nomuntu onemathathu there's like a burial in between which lona uphila impilo yeso lona impilo yeso. Is it true ukuthi once you put that ink on you izokwenza ukuthi you want to add like more like there's something that is it true?
ngiyibonga le question. That's a very intelligent question. It's true afet. Once you do one tattoo you gonna get another tattoo because
like
icala ngani ngespace angithola inshallah then ubona kusela space so ifuna la then ubona kusela space yabona that's what influences manje ukuthi ugcine sokuvala understand futhi uyabona maybe when uthola ama tattoo before nabangani uthola tattoo before le ushaye 1 ashaye 2 makaqala mara ifika after mina egamini
nami sengilandela
so ufuna 2 naleyo competition ya influence ugcine manje ube nama tattoo yangithola sinini nama music video mfethu uyabona lapha abona izvelile
shaya izinto zakho
abosexile abona bashayile I understand mama ungana ama tattoo bangathi uyadlala ngabe ufuna ukuba famous uma podcast yangithola so influence nje kwenza ama tattoo iningi and beside nje le ekhona phambi kwakho nami ngikanje ngingaba influence
obviously mina sengicabanga nokuthi ekseni nje mangivuka ngithi to push up
ucela uDivi vele iyafuneka nje ngoba ama tattoos nini ungahalelwa wabona empini nomzimba uyakhuluma ukuthi okay isandla sakhe siyabona iflesh ikhona ukuthi ngahlala so yabona so mawuthe ukuthi at least ahlala grand but nazo lezi skin ziyashaya bo Wiz Khalifa bo skin mara no seziyajima bo sawabona
obviously ngithola sewabona la
penny na uvuthe sijima
ama tattoo
yangifuna ukuthi ngiyabona cabanga uLondon seka iscore yabona iyabeka
Siyeza
yonke isikhathi
sesine opportunity ukuthi angithola singena kanjani
singadvertise nama-tattoo akhe yabo so vela sishaya lapho isandla lapha ihambe khona.
Okay, another question to our tattoo artist. What is the weirdest place have you ever been told ukuthi ngifuna ithathu endaweni kanje?
Oh bra, remember it was lockdown. Lockdown. Khona enye incusi yangibiza mfethu ngathi ayi Snake Park. Amchacha 750 lo mntana loya. Afuna ushaye ibuni tattoo dog. And manje there was my first time like ngishaye tattoo ibuni. So ngifike Snake Park faka khona nje shout out to uTsotso khona nje yami uTsotso ayitshela ngoba lockdown fika
ngithatha manje.
Mina suli kari ndana yami ngifuna ukuya ngandathi mntana 750 banga lockdown sibhala ubantu benza 750 lockdown engiyenza yamthola ishaya yeah ufika ngadalo mntana lo manje thathu ifuna va athi ngifuna nduni thathu yakhona it was written.
So how was the reaction ukuthi ngifuyana
like obvious no like ikhiki bakhona nje ukuthi mntana lo wenzani yangithola
no obvious emkondweni
ngifuna inyuka yabona ngithi na yasebenza uyabona
yeah obvious crash
ufuna inyuka mntana mangene ekhonjini lakhe mfethu unojwana ngithola mntana ushayeni into mfethu lamali isinyana wabo lawo ngithi bara ngeke uvuma usathana ngithele family emuva mfethu balabi ngithanga ngivuma mntana ukhipha amashwala mntana namatshwala ngilokdash manje mntana uselisavana mfethu ubhala enough for you shane nyawo semzulu yabo sho yabona le ngathi yachita yabona manje ufuna ukubhala enough for you esinene enough for you athi angifuna ukubhala enough for you I understand which motherfucking ass umntana ngambhala. That was the weirdest place that I ever did in the tattoos in terms of tattoo umuntu then no pierce bro because angithi ama piercing ngiyayenza now yeah we had to pierce kodwa ingcozi yafika ngisespane juicy afuna piercing ekukwini ngithola yabona le clitoris yabona pierce
esiyalenga khona
amantombazana wazisana izinto
manje influence pornography yabona a lot of pornography la prostitute
lesibabheke
because manje bakhuluma la effect yabona
Ube yami manimpozi
manimpozi do it yabona ube yami vele mawucheli yabo haleluya
ube nespice yazithatha ispice njalo
otherwise ngizenzile into eziweird egamini yabona because of freeriding tattoos ngenile emaflopini to ukuthi manje uthrow ucheri out if nesikhwele nayo yabona but it's part of the game yangithola nje impilo engikhethile angina chance.
So like you social media khona ezinye eziphula ama record bayibiza ngani Genius record something like that nje shama body transformation
the black project ishayile ngicaba the alien project the
Ketimeni obsessed
Dragon Lady there's a lot. Okay yabona leyo that's a beautiful question body modification
so like ungayenza
it depends. If I become a millionaire, I can get to that extent.
Okay, I see 9 million.
I will need money to do these things.
Yeah, so like, answer yako I be straight for ungayenza. 69 million.
Yeah, in fact, thing is bra. Ungayenza.
It mean modify.
Ngafaka mfethu imbondo zaSathane like skandini ngithola. That one I can get ngithola. Indlebe ngasichopha nyana nje ngithola. Chop, you understand? I couldn't even get tattoos on my face because that's the last. Body modification is the last stage. Tattooing. I want about tattooing and that's the last stage. Would imagine also reach a level there. You are more like immortal. I want about body modification by immortal. By appeal, but they already accepted death.
So yazi why ngibuza peni obsessed ngala machita taya mehla ngazi why like ngifuna kuba namehla mnyama ukushiwe sena angibona ngamnyama kanjani namehla mnyama
machita la ngiyibona lokho kufaka inke endhlweni yabona uthola amasejara amachita kwazi uyenza do it because angithi there's artificial, I mean what's this, my contact.
Yeah. Khona le ukhiphayo fa.
Yabona my contact zibe influence njalo. Qala kuma contact then yabona lena amehla reader contact then sayifaka permanent yabona. Artificial and permanent. So abantu ba evolve mfethu. Ukhathele into artificial safuna into permanent. Ukhathele into
safuna
ukumela ufaka
wona faka khish. You understand this influence ukuthi manje ufaka la my ball, you understand. And abanye mfethu they were not like secure ngomzimba wakho. Kuna abantu aba insecure ngomzimba wabo mfethu uthi ancamini thola kucheri bajova manje babe nama.
Yeah, usina mayana bebe umsoze.
Yabona ukuthi abantu nayo modification ibenjalo udama naye angizincane ngiso mangathole nje yebo isikopho nyana nje lana, you understand. You feel inside. Namthola but body modification is the last stage side I think. Mina ngadvise nje abantu that bangayenzi in terms of ukole manje mazofaka amapho ngeke uqasheke do.
Never.
But even enyuku zakho sanandaba mfethu
sazofuna ukuphisana nenyuku
ukufana ne-alien.
usufuna le naye yabona. And another thing though, influence enye nje abantu abamodify umzimba mfethu inemali that. So yeah, those people are unique. Mfethu emhlabeni mfethu they less than a million. Abantu abamodify it. So makavele and mongathatha ibheke ibody modification ibuya Asian. It's not like into efike ngama tattoos. Mongabheka khona abantu abachabayo ngithi. Yabona ukucaba naye modifier in because awuzalwanga unaleza izinto. Bagenza ini edlini bacaba. Yangithola. There's people abakhatha imini. Bangubani, I understand.
Yeah,
body modification.
Kwangubani.
You understand?
That's a cut.
Ngithola njalo. So nayo leyo modification mara mina because angithi isintu bangathi hayi normal nini but ukhatha modification, you understand at the end of the day. Uyangithola because umuntu ekhulumile then abayini ukuthi it's a costume le yenziwe nani but ifaka umuntu la
ifaka umuntu
ukhathiwa abantu bangubani, I understand njalo. So nice body modification abantu bakashembe we checked impethe I understand mfethu is body modification, I understand. That ngikhona na within abantu aba black ungayibheka yabona abelungu nje bafike wona ngifaka ukuthi manje ama piercing nani but it's been the black people they do
umuntu omnyama azishaye cream abemhlophe
yeah body ya nani modification bony
manje vele ngikuzwe vele uthi lisheng lo angazi lo mava so wenza njani ngendaba ze transport.
No ngalibona leyo because we lockdown ngiharrange i-taxi nje yabona ngoba samashita lambile na uma lockdown akekho makushela mfethu nje ka 150 obvious yabo ngicharge 70 imali ka 150 ngisala ngaleselo yabona profit yabona yamthola but isikhathini esibhaya nje vele mina i-target market yami abantu bangaphandle kasi ngibakhona lana but I charge for ukuthi ngifike wa transport nani
kuya ukuthi point
no I charge fee around a load is just $50
noma kukuphi around so
nami nje tripping I meet amatanto am halfway, understand. $50 smithana halfway is fine yabona ukushaya tattoo yabona the influence ukuthi
uyashana ama home call
ama visit nyafika vele kwakho yangithola nje yami but ngithanda ukuthi amajita since ukuthi amajita sensitive mangizofika uzobhalutshelwa kube khona amashita shawa ikhwele sibala yabona
wena bazofila kanjani like mina yimfeli utrip guy watota ngithola senyafika lapha kwakho uyaphuma ngaleso
yona ihlungu mfethu yabona mara we-out mfethu bafika abantu sibale kwakho sinini bazolungisa maybe bomagiza amachita azofika endlini wakho yabo but it's just that ube uyithatha artist amachita wasifuni dog yo
ama-tattoo artist akani
thola kamzika sithi spoon
amachita wasifuni
makancane ubhalwe lapho
so like wena like awazi like kwathi namhlanje ngibe studi nje emoto draw umuntu ubhale igama lakho la
hayi njalo lezizalayo
ngisho uzenze vele respect nje span
respect umuntu njalo uyabona respect umuntu mangafuna ukubhala igama lami obvious uzolishaya willingly yangithola but nje otherwise nje I don't do such things
so like wena like Feel it.
Okay. Before you go forward, Benito, you mentioned something very interesting. Okay, I thought it's just doing like tattoos as a tattoo artist only, but he mentioned piercing, and he can even escalate these things to modifying humans and whatever. There's a guy that I know that chopped off, I think 3 or 2 his fingers, off his fingers. Then I got like a lot of tattoos, chop off his ears. I think you know the guy who like training.
Ababukeli bazobona isithombe sakhe.
Exactly. I know that guy when you were busy mentioning like you have to have money, boom.
Yeah, because
But like when we come to piercing, how much do you charge from your cleat to your maybe tongue ring, if you even do your tongue ring and stuff, like your nipples and everything? How do you charge for piercing?
Thanks for that question. Now, sensitive places, I overcharge. Because sensitive places are overcharged. Like your cleater, like there by your vagina, it costs 350, 300 if you and then your tongue is like 150. Because piercing a tongue is not easy. I want to take just it's sensitive. When you do it, you need to be professional about these things, and getting the equipment to do it nakon is not easy because I'm able to do ngekani okay ikani kahle yala yabona ku soft polar crane fana ne ikhala abantu babayenza ngesibhama co crane that's why uthola manje sekuba black by infection I support the crane because abamshanga ngemidlini ushanga imidlini ikhona ukubreaka lenyama le hela ipiki crane yangithola so ama equipment nakhona i-charge yabona mfethu so your tongue mfethu is 150 ekasi nakhona bakhala 150 manje choose mfethu noma uchaje abantu base choose that's why abantu abangawazi nabantu abangekho kasi lakho you understand so your nipples are charged like $50 50 I'm told it's not a lot here. I just charge 50 clip or you give me my money you pierce and I'm back you understand so abantu ababhaya nje abawayenza ama piercing laba abadictate kubo mina like mancane ama piercing yabona
ubona vela ushaya nje
ama piercing izinto zami ngingashayela la ngingashayela la wanyana no lot manje yabona yangithola mincane
so umuntu lefinyela wenza njani
njalo abantu ukuyamtshela futhi ubheka usule la usule into nami ngisiphanisa ama glove yangithola ngiyabona nobe ngishaya tattoo mara bhekisa ngezindlinga nje ama glove uzinakekela njalo ngithola mele uzinakekela because abanye abantu nawe kumele ukhona ukuthi uzicabangele before yabona hygiene mawushaya ama glove nje usibana ngayo bona amafutha lawo yakhipha
so Goodman iphi level ukubona ngasithi where you see yourself in 3 years
in 3 years njami ngizibona mfethu
like sesikhuluma hawe via spani via appearance yakho like joking
like because njami tripping problem mfethu mina ngumuntu abantu yabona so in 3 years I need to see us maybe kanjalo ngithola yabona ukuthi like I'm still underground yabona sekasi na moving issue now ngithanda ngilibonisa wena ngithanda ukubonisa mina so ngifuna ukubona mfethu having a bigger space to do things ngithola njalo I understand so ngifuna ukuthi labantu abaphambi kwami ababonisa uthando sikhule sonke that's why it's gonna take me 3 years bancane kimi because nginama dream abanye abantu within ama dream wami
so like when you all about uvusa abantu abantu
abasesekeleni so it's going to take me longer than 3 years you understand that dog it's going to take me time I'm told because now your dream needs to be
okay as extend this cut when I say 10 years
when you say 10 years I want to see us having our like be inspired like you have see the forecast you see the hidden numbers you understand now I want to see myself having a studio somewhere in Midrand and it's all a nice studio so we don't record lapha in the same place so record and show my tattoo yabona ukuthi family ngifunayo mina ikhodi kanjani asinto ukuthi manje ama tattoo madam bethu bani ngithola nje bafundisana yabona academy nyana ngayi recordwa ngayi nami business podcast ngiyashoota I understand entity khodi nje
so cover like wonke umuntu so like wena ufuna thingibeke kanye wena awuphuphelwe wena uyiwona ufuna ukubona nomunye umuntu apha
yiko ungabona ngathi it's delayed not denied bra ngithola into zami mina uzothatha isixesha elininzi because I'm not only about myself. Yabona ngiyi. I had to sacrifice into zami to accommodate certain things. Ngithola njalo. So mawumuva kanjalo sininto ukuthi ngiphambili kumele ngibuye ngizolanda wena. Intendana yini ngathi uya give up. Benza asiye phambili.
Boys.
Mina life in bra can say I'm not say na inhlanhla nje izinto dog. Ngithola just ukuthi ngihlangane nabantu abafuna ungibona ngigrand. Fike nje kumnandi ningana fokol mara abantu bakusina amabhiya singaqhaso grand right I understand unabantu abanjalo because I didn't invested empilweni zabo you understand ngiyabona greedy and stuff even namachita wami abaphambi kwami bagrand
yabona njengoba ukhuluma kanje like uGreen Ivari bafethu nentekelele ne we need more people like abazocabanga njengoGotman nje because like yabona njengoba bawusho sinini bemplomile nenja yami sikhuluma about italent lasikazi yaba sithi ikasi italent libhaya
too much
mara net nje like sishota ngamacollab
yabona enye into bra ngizokushela yona yabona in terms of music ama podcast everything you need to be doing it yourself no bafethu ayisekho lento lokuthi usazohlangana noMajib understand complain asisifake efethu now into unique ukuthi yonke into elinayo ihlangane niyenze nibambane understand nithathe ninike industry izoyithenga because inothando ngaphakathi ezinye izinto you don't pop because of coincidence lo thando libonisayo uNkulunkulu ubhekile uzokunika ama rewards wakhona understand so abantu these days they want to force impilo ukuthi yenzeni iba answer ama prayer phela you remember when you pray you are summoning izinto ukhulumisa ukuthi yenze 1 2 3 4 ube nangokucela ube nenhlanhla understand mina ngicela nje inhlakanipho yokukhuluma inhlakanipho yokulalela amehlo understand that's what I pray for I don't pray to have a car money this no I pray to have izinto ezingakhona ukubambeka ngezandla understand into ezithandazelayo lezo understand so if uzomove ngokuthi ufuna ukuba yi1 you're not gonna make it
so like yabona njengoba usasho kanje vele abadibitopi noma ngasihlaba boma advice someone ongaphandle ovale ezinye intwana or someone nje umamele like ngashayi word of the day word of the day
word of the day is vulela abanye ungasabi competition yabona ungasabi ukhona intwana engabantswimi ngami ngokuba iMC khona umtswimi because sabo dark each one teach one asinayo imali ukuthi singayisa umntwana ayofuna uDJ unama CDJ expose awunayo imali ukuthi ungaba uyiskela sama tattoo na umchini boy calwa kanje nangane nani as a youth you got to be willing to learn I'm told you talk less ulalela umaster more but nowadays uthola intwana ifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu mara
ela ngitawela
zibaya mina ngizamela usifaka igimini azimameli sibona ngathi ngiyaziyela dog yabona uthola intwana seyinjalo
so like when you are mentorisha indaba zamathathu PC music
I have a lot of people that are changing impilo zabo mfethu you understand
so like umuntu nje ozishaye ngokufunda i-tattooing PC angazithinta akuthinta nje
ngangithinta I'll teach you even YouTube can help you yabo but you need to be exposed to the physical form of it yabo because ungayibheka into
yabona ngathi vela
no amanalita siwasipana makusole isipana makusole isitoko sithole endaweni esole yabona ungabhayisi online ukuthi yadura mina ngikufaka igwedini you need umuntu ozokuplaka boy you can't just become a tattoo that's why I'm a tattoo artist less ngiyanthola zi3 zi2 ekhasi ngiyakuthola
because I heard he said when he started they push up small street nani so right now do you have like istudio la wenza khona semathathu or you keep just equipment uyifaka ngaphandle nje
no like right now nje I'm mobile nje yabo I don't have a studio I once had a studio market building in Joburg that was my first studio ngaba ne studio yekasi ngasifuna studio yekasi mara ngapayiseka because basitshontshela equipment nani abashikazi so right now I'm mobile and now you need to check another things from Jozi to Kasi imali yami currency sekuyehla abantu basekasi mfethu ngithi abanamali abanaqiniso bro ngiyangithola abanaqiniso they think this is a chance game let me say if I was not working because mina nginesipane ngishaye externally beside ama tattoo because I have to feed my family so let me say if I was ngibheka ama tattoo phela ngithi ama tattoo just like umuntu odlala ibhola abheke leyo nto leyo endlini ngeke badla ukuthi wena ama-skill wakho kanjani ediskini. Yes unikiwe italent but sakodakhe mfethu i-background inokusiphushela somewhere to get money. Let me say I didn't have a job engiyenza beside ama-tattoo, which means this month ngabe maybe imali engiyenzile since this month over 450, and now I can't feed family yami for 450.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand the problem? So it costs me not to have just a mobile shop as of rent at the end of the day stock, and people didn't come, others they come, they demand a bigger tattoo, less money, more work, less money, you understand? So in the jali influence the problem putting be mobile, but I'm considering to open a studio, but no man has vula ngeke be Freedom Park. Freedom Park has never been my target market. The COVID young later you think sing accommodate and stuff, because no way no have history arms or influence alena le but money and so on. Abanye abantu they love what I do, they just hate ukuthi yenziwa yimi, yabona enimi la abantu bani, yabona talk but people don't abangazi
Sesifana na vele
gaming ngithola. Yeah, so nayo le nto iyangikhabatha too much mfethu, come too much. I have enemies that I don't know ukuthi kanjani mara mina nga stress bro wami, yabona uNkulunkulu khona and like game is big, the game is big.
No, but like
mazonakana nomunye umuntu.
But like I'll tell you one thing, the more you have enemy, it means you're doing something right.
Yeah, sure.
That's why you have enemies. If ever you are doing something that you're not moving, dog, they're not gonna care about you.
Yeah.
So the more you have those people like it means you're on the right path.
Young taller, bro. I believe. Thanks for those words, bro. So yeah, that's the case, dog. So I think around like next year I'll open a studio somewhere in Rosettenville. About there's my guy who will do Rizzi. Shout out to Rizzi. He shine part, I employed young taller. So when I shop a hood, he wants me to, meet him up for his fully franchise. They go entities inside entities. Again, show branding. I just teach. I show my tattoo. I mean, I'm fully in danger. I understand. I want that African products be the only one. Yeah, still mangaba ama client ama-tattoo awekho ngisiza ngada stitch ibasha ngiba exposed now to we brother, so I understand that boy. Naye mama i-client business yakhe mayimile ukhona ukuza kimi ngithola. So I think next year because I wanna open ngiyasifuna istudio bra, like that's my uyabona li akekho isangoma isangoma esinganani Indumba. Yeah, I understand. So studio is more like Indumba yami, where I can like my tattoo, any jam ngifake la nje yami ngithola ama spirits yabona. And now anything ngibonile having to find ama tattoos there, ama clients on my tattoo on Facebook. Noma ngihlangana na shop right over. Nomuntu osingenele shop. I-energy yakhona ifani bro. Different. Yabona umuntu ozongithola ngihlalele kanje shop. Mamela music ngishayela izolo, understand ngiphuze ibhiya. Uyabona nawe le hip ayinandaba nawe. Ufuna ukujoina like what I do. It's you who loves what I do. You understand? Shop yami yakushaya, understand? Tana umuntu ozongithola ama number phone kubani bani.
Yabamba nayiplug.
Like ora yakhona ifanje. Labantu abanjalo bafana, ngibathula kuma Facebook, they funny dog. They funny bra. Umuntu angakutshela ukuthi angizoyenza tattoo around 10 o'clock yamfonela phone voicemail phela 2 hours ngabo ma 8 9 sakakufonela ngozongenza nekulate uzokubhala ngo8 mina ngilale nini, you understand, uplomane family angithola because mina ngumuntu family dog angithola. So they don't understand, they think I'm just a tattoo artist abayadakwe unama tattoo lo impilo zabo khona abantu aba straight, mina ngi straight yeah, just because I'm a tattoo doesn't mean I'm not a human being. I walk into church and pray to whatever. I'm a human being, though. And so people need to treat us more of humans. I'm told a problem. Yeah.
So like, yabona le ndaba yama tattoo interesting. Singaze sikhulumile
ngapha sesekhona nale yomculo le.
Sasekhona nalo umculo. Yeah, yabona ke leyo nayo ingibangela amanye no bias value rap amfit. Yabona no ngisarap kakhulu. I used to rap dog back in 2011 dog ngisase progress school. I used to do battle raps. Rap ababhanga bapolisile amakhaya abhanga ngabule.
Konje bozibiza ngobani abachela
ngisase I didn't move like I had like others. Yeah, I'm told like I have a lot of names, but like Pablo is my other name that Pablo Bankai chose figure how I used to move in the street by that days, but we can't blow Pablo the way Bambis don't call and I'm told how I scale them my clients because you're in the street, you need to convince people to do tattoos. How I used to talk to clients, though, it was like I mean I don't convince us, but we can't sense from falling apart just do. usuke sohleli sokhipha inyuke mfethu ubamba mobile mfethu ibhodlela njalo ngiyabona ngiphethe iclient elizokunika bo 1.5 abo ma 10 ekseni hayi mana yazi ngiyakutshela mfethu khona abantu nje balengihlangane nabo empilweni yami mfethu like small choose ngisho ngithi ngithola bengiyi-stranger few years back but no sengifila ngathi best friend like spirit bro msihlangane ngithola
sekuyilonto engithi mfethu kule weekend wenzani
sihlanganise ngithola so music now ngihlanganile nabantu abanice mfethu ngicale nje ngisipana noPhakiso leKalkila elikheke locentric nabo Roger back in the days ngithola shout to abo mrapper bebafeud abo abantu bamyebela bosabo kusho ukuthi back in 2012 niggas were scared to say rap now it's easy rap like everything now is just exposed back then bro to rapper bemnami ukuvakashela zibhaye ngazivakashele
uzibulaye ngophela fa
vakashela shurena zangazi nezintwana nje
sibhale phansi
sikhanja nakhona zangibasa
khona lebe ibulala kakhulu ikila wathatha
bro like ngiyabaselela mina kahle I'm an ego rapper dog but like I'm now I'm less like ngisana stress amashida ngiya just na no benginothiwa ifibo ngishaya tattoo nje for the love ukuthi bana be grand you understand so no ngifuna ukubonisa amajita uthando nje angibe inde one ngithola but now niggas need to know bra yabo mina ngifuna ukuthi sisipane song kungabe ukuthi wena ufila threatened because khona umunye umuntu one podcast mhlawumbe Cheese Boynyana sidikeza ukuthi ufile small because manje lona ngiyayifunda mas rap isijabuleni ungathi I'm the king of this I'm the boy la ngena khona the king of anything sonke la into eyi-one i-team mfethu ye-disc kumele kube no-captain ukuthi kumele kube ne-order hayi ukuthi u-captain ungcono than uba khona for order ukuthi ama-captain becelele amaphepha la ayanqwara kube nomuntu owathatha ayawafile umuntu look up to him but it's not like better than amanye ama-client ama-player male effect angithola so nasegaming that's why votex the Red Bull dog yabona ufaka leli ukuthi Red Bull ufaka le Red Bull was just I was just emphasizing Bull nje ama-cats yabona and like mina like another thing bro I enjoy rapping out of heart it's not about ukuthi ama-numbers ama-track wami anginandaba nalela thing that's why ngicela ukubhekila than
so wena like ungangifreestylela like istota like
usivale nge-freestyle
wo awundi manje bheka aqale uvale ngisabuza ukuthi like angizozwile ukuthi sikhulume ngani sitshele ngani via ungangishayela kuma-freestyle wise la ngale nto nje sikhulume ngayo
uyazi simkhulu ngiphethe uPenito
sure
yangithola vele bayazi yizo
sure
Mr Drip Ink Tattoos baphethe uPablo
sure
ithanda ntwana ngihlezi ngibhoboza bathi PSC ngina chance dona yamele ngiphekelela gotta get it by any means khohlwa ngama enemy nama anime this is a real life esiphilayo ntwana I have to get it every day yangithola vele ngislay gotta get paid asukudlala njengamagama abafuna ukunginika imali they want me to get laid I'm never late hlezi ngangako ntwana yami ngithatha imachine into enginandaba nayo but I appreciate amajita for ungibiza kulifleke likangako ngithola sibuye sithi danko
zile jambolo gospel lapha the games ushaya so before sivala ayikho nje into ukuyisho
ngibonga abafethu ungiletha yibafethu yabona ngiyabonga nje
bonga thina obvious
ngibize yini
it's all about masithi vele nje it's all about upromotana sonke umuntu ngabantu
yo man and before then uvali show yakho I would like to say ukuthi even if uzoba ne studio somewhere somehow please hit up the boys singafika sikhona ukushoota maybe soba manje sithole amanye ama camera akhroti kabe like sibhizi sibonisa abantu live ukuthi yo go and check it up episodes in lento lena besikhuluma ngayo manje senza ngathi vlog nyana and everything
understand mawuspaniwa right document
exactly
you expand I like you expand the content yakho usukuthathela ngaphandle masifaya la emumuntu uyashuta maswenza design yakhe intane cafe process yakhona nanana ngithola I like that we gonna do it mina nje awuthi ngivalele isenga hayi no izinto sesizozibona next year crank ngoba vele bafika 2024 sakaphela chapa enjoy life yang understand bese sibhaya nje sizozibona next year mara otherwise mfethu akusinto engayi give up ale into engizoyiphusha into engizohamba ngayo bafethu ene nginike abanye because into yabantu
batshele lapho bangafuba bangakhohlwa ukusubscribe
bafethu ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe bafethu sendinga yazi sendinga bafethu
comment bafethu comment makushayela
ngiyabona ngiyabona bafethu ngiyacela guys support namajita
sokushaya thathi yamala uyabona subscribe sokushaya thathi yamala
comment ngiyusubscribe wacha
comment lapho subscribe sure
so bafethu siphuma kanjalo ke niyazi nani it's a favorite boy in London oma sweet izinto ezimnandi 6 kanye bathini flavor rap cha danko
sibonga.
Thank you for watching the Genesis podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop a video, you'll be notified.